Okay, so I guess this is part 2. Picking up where we left off with the AC Green Moments in Time. I guess there's a time limit on this. Got 4 packs to go. Hopefully I got another hit in here somewhere. Be kind of disappointed if I don't. Stephen Curry, ooh, that's nice. Nice. Stephen Curry on-card auto, gold parallel. That is nice. It's a very nice card to get right there. Number 3 out of 49. Probably can't see that, but it's 3 out of 49. Stephen Curry on card. Well, it's not on the card, it's on a sticker, but it's better than nothing. Might hang on to that one. See, Darrington Hobson rookie. We got Kobe. I like that Stephen Curry auto. I like it a lot. See, Dwight Howard. It's all going to be all base probably. All base. 2 packs left. Come on, one more hit. I don't think I'm going to get it. Marc Gasol. It's a gold parallel. Numbered to 499. If you can see that. Ben Uzo rookie. Last pack. Let's see. Come on. And again, like I said, I'm not too impressed by Panini's product line. But as far as basketball goes, it's their only choice. Unless I buy some old stuff, which I've been doing that. Been buying some old product. Tell you, big fan of old Upper Deck. Always have been. So, I guess that's it. That's my 4 hits. I got a bunch of inserts though, but a little recap. Got the Stephen Curry on card auto. Got Rajon Rondo jersey swatch gold parallel. The Gani Lawal rookie auto, Phoenix Suns. And I guess my last one is a Shawn Marion jersey gold parallel. So that's it. Let me know what you all think of this box break. Be back again with another one soon.